All right, everybody, we are going to attempt, well, we're going to attempt more. I was going to do the clutch stop, but see, manual, fun stuff, Mk8R, 20th anniversary. I have a shift knob for my Mk7, custom ordered. Here it is. It's from Racseng. It's fantastic. Had the Galaxy White, I believe. Custom color. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to do a few things. Now, mind you, I don't have all the hands or like a pod or anything to show. So I've already pulled up one side. You don't pull up from side. You literally have to pull on the boot itself to get it up. That'll be a big distinction. Pull from the boot. Literally make some slack and pull from here. Do your best. Keep the weight distributed evenly so you're not ripping this, but then you'll be able to get this up. From there, we have this. Figures I did not bring a screwdriver. So this may be cut into two pieces, but not very good at video editing. So I may have a screwdriver in the back. Let's go that way. We're going to go that way. Let's open that up. I typically keep stuff in. Look at that. Probably not the best choice, but we'll see how it works. Oh, in we go. Probably really best to do a flat head on this, because you want to kind of like open it. So let's not attempt to do that any longer. We will put that back where I have it, and we will go back inside. I'm gonna stop this. I'll re-record the rest of it.